10th Standard Business Studies, Unit 2, Entrepreneurship. Dear students, you have already seen the video of Social Science textbook questions with the answers. If you want to see them again, click on the I button here. This video consists of important extra questions other than textbook questions. Let's begin. Answer the following questions. First one, what are the main functions of an entrepreneur? The main functions of an entrepreneur are: entrepreneur starts business activity by preparing various plans relating to business. He organizes factors of production. He takes decision about product, technology, marketing, employment, etc. He coordinates things effectively. He introduces new methods into practice. He handles budget of his concern. He bears risk and uncertainty. He gives direction to the business firm and ensures its effective operation. These are the main functions of an entrepreneur. Second question, explain the role played by the entrepreneurs in the economic development. The role played by the entrepreneurs in the economic development are: entrepreneurs promote capital formation by mobilizing the idle savings of the citizens. They employ resources for setting up their enterprises. Entrepreneurs provide large-scale employment to artisans, technically qualified persons, and professionals. Entrepreneurs help the country to increase the gross domestic product (GDP) and per capita income. Entrepreneurs encourage effective mobilization of skill. Entrepreneurs enable the people to avail better quality goods at lower prices. Entrepreneurs promote development of industries. They help to remove regional disparities by industrializing rural and backward areas. Entrepreneurs contribute towards the development of society by reducing concentration of income and wealth. These are the role played by the entrepreneurs in the economic development. Third question, what are the opportunities of establishing a business if a person wants to set up a business venture? Answer is: advertising agencies, marketing consultancy, industrial consultancy, equipment rental and leasing, photocopying centers, industrial research and development. Industrial testing labs, internet browsing, setting up of cyber cafe, installation and operation of cable and TV network, crèche and beauty parlors. These are the opportunities of establishing a business if a person wants to set up a business venture. Fourth question, what are the financial institutions that help in self-employment? The financial institutions that help in self-employment are Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, Export and Import Bank, Exim Bank, Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IFCI. Sixth one, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICICI, Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India, IRBI, Commercial and other banks, State Finance Corporations, Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, and last one, Unit Trust of India, UTI. These are the financial institutions that help in self-employment. Fifth one, mention the promotional organizations of an entrepreneur. Answer is in District Industrial Centers, Small Industries Development Corporation Limited, SIDC, National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC, Small Scale Industries Board, SSIB. Fifth one, Small Industries Service Institutions, SISI, Industrial Estates, KIADB, Khadi and Village Industries Corporation, KVIC, Technical Consultancy Organization, TCO. These are the promotional organization of an entrepreneur. Question number 6. Write a note on Dr. Pratap Reddy. He developed India's first hospital group, the Apollo Hospitals. He revolutionized India's whole healthcare sector, and today it has over 750 corporate hospitals on modern lines throughout the country. The idea came to Dr. Reddy when a patient who could not make it to go to Texas in America for open heart surgery. Dr. Reddy created a medical infrastructure in India which made medical care more affordable and accessible for everyone. Question number 7. Write a note on Naresh Goyal. He is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. It is India's largest domestic airlines under private sector. After his graduation, he worked in a travel business. By 1974, Goyal started to look after sales and marketing of foreign airlines in India. In 1917, Goyal took advantage of the open sky policy of Indian government and set up Jet Airways for operation of scheduled air service for domestic flights in India. These are all about Naresh Goyal. Question number 8. Write a note on Narayan Murthy. He is one of the founders of Infosys Technologies Limited in 1999. Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on Nasdaq. In 2017, the company had employed over 2 lakh people and had a turnover of $10 billion. Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are the key factors for the success. These are all about Narayan Murthy. Question number 9. Write a note on Verghese Kurian. He is the renowned Indian social entrepreneur. He is best known as the father of the White Revolution for his millions of liters of milk flow. He was the leading personality in agricultural development program. Amul Milk and Milk Products is the achievement of Kurian. He established a small-scale Anand Milk Dairy in Kaira district in Gujarat state. Now, it is the largest dairy development enterprise in India. These are all about Verghese Kurian. 10th question. Write a note on Dhirubhai Ambani. Answer is, his life journey is reminiscent of the rags to riches story. He is remembered as the one who rewrote Indian corporate history and built a truly global corporate group. Dhirubhai Ambani alias Dheeralal Hirachand Ambani's father was a school teacher. He started his entrepreneurial career by selling bhajan books to pilgrims in Mount Girnar during the weekends. After doing his matriculation at the age of 16, Dhirubhai moved to Aden in Africa. He worked there as a gas station attendant and as a clerk in an oil company. He returned to India in 1958 with 50,000 rupees and set up a textile trading company. His business had diversified into a core specialization in petrochemicals. The Reliance company, which is started by him, is one of the important entrepreneurships in the world. These are all about Dhirubhai Ambani. 11th question. Write a note on Azim Premji. He is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, which is one of the largest software companies in India. When he was a student, Premji was summoned home due to the death of his father. During the annual general body meeting, one of the shareholders advised Premji to sell his shares. This made Premji more determined to make his company a successful enterprise. Today, Wipro Technologies is the largest independent research and development provider. These are all about Azim Premji. Question number 12. Write a note on Ekta Kapoor. She is known as the Queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms and was awarded the Best Entrepreneur of the Year 2001 by Ernest Young. At 19, she ventured into TV production. These are all about Ekta Kapoor. Question number 13. Write a note on Kiran Mazumdar Shah. She is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. She started Biocon in 1978 in a rented garage, faced with variety of problems and challenges. She crossed all barriers and made Biocon a success. These are all about Kiran Mazumdar Shah.